Hello friends, welcome back to Code Tonight. So in today's video guys, we will see how you can solve the error authentication builder does not contain a definition for AddGoogle. So what we are trying to do here is we are trying to implement the Google sign-in using the identity login, which is the default login for ASP.NET Core. So now we are trying to use that, and here is I am using the .NET Core 8.0. So I am trying to use the add Google method here, which is not found in the add authentication method, which we require for the sign in process. So for fixing the issue that we are seeing on the screen, what you have to do is you have to go to the project and manage NuGet packages, and here you have to search for Microsoft.ASP.NET Core and Authentication.Google package here, and then you will see the package here. So the first package here is for .NET Core 9.0, so don't try to install that one, and you have to go down, and this one is for the .NET Core 8. Okay, so we will install that. So it is installed now, you can see. So you can see that it has installed, and we can uninstall it if we need. So we have installed it. Now we will go back to the program.cs file, and here you will see that the error has gone, and now it is able to find this method. So this is how you can resolve the error authentication builder does not contain a definition for AddGoogle in .NET Core. So thank you guys, and let us know if you face any kind of issue. Thank you.